markets where the numbers have increased. So you think that in times to come that print will decline and the new media of both mobile and digital will increase, or there will be like a hands and glove that both of them will equal partnership will happen?
No,
what do you think?
No, I think definitely everything will go online, because nowadays the reason why you've got printed versions, so people, frankly speaking, are poor here. They come with the notebook, laptop, but you are very you are developing, and I can see changes. I was here last year, here, and it's like quite different city. And I think that nowadays Indian people are coming from overseas as well. They're bringing money here, and online will be definitely 100% will be growing. And we are not speaking about like 20, 30 years. I believe like in 5 years you will get not 3% of online advertising, but you can have like 30% or 40% money spent on online. Because there are plenty of advantages, for example, to advertise online and to read online, because you know everything about who is reading this website. You know from what area, his age, and like lots of other information, what he's searching in the internet. For example, nowadays, if you're looking like to sell a car, I think that you've got special paper, the newspapers where you can sell it, you can buy it, but it's not comfortable. Paper, you're using like lots of wood and natural resources.
That's another debate for another day.
Nowadays in your country, probably they are not thinking about this, and paper is very cheap. But in a couple of years, it will become more and more expensive. And nobody will buy here the newspaper for, I don't know, 1,000 rupee. Nobody will buy it.
Equivalent to a 50 rupee. So that way, $8 1-year subscription of newsprint is not really a bad deal. And Indians are very smart also. They sell the newspapers for approximately $3. So you're reading the newspaper approximately at $4 to $5. So that is a kind of annual subscription of newspaper.
But you can buy annual subscription online.
But in India, the subscription fee and advertising fee, largely most of the mediums in India are not subscription based. Possibly in television it might change with the Caste Amendment, so which will require the 4 cities to have a digitization. So not your cable and satellite guy who was living next to you was giving you the feed of your cable and satellite, but you will have proper digital signals. It was rolled out in the 4 metro cities in India. So that could be one. But I'm really wondering that the whole model on which our mediums are based largely be not subscription but advertising revenue. So the question is open to the floor and as well to you as well, that with the digital coming in, the whole concept of subscription certainly goes up, but also the advertising goes up. So is the consumer will also have a choice, like he has a choice, especially in television, where he says I don't want to see advertising. Right? You got a high definition, you got formats where he says I don't want to see advertising, give me content without advertising. What happens there in that kind of scenario?
Nowadays Google is doing this. For example, Google applications nowadays will be free of advertising.
Okay.
So